In this video, I am going to explain about algebraic identities part 2. Hope you have already seen my part 1 algebraic identity video. Let's go through part 2 of the video. Fifth identity, x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. Then sixth one, x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy multiplied by x plus y. Then seventh one, x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy multiplied by x minus y. Also it can be written it as x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. Then eighth one, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Problems are direct applications of these identities. Let's go through problems. First question, 2x plus 1 whole cube. So first you have to write your identity related with this. First identity related with this is x plus y whole cube. So x plus y whole cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy multiplied by x plus y. So here your x is 2x and y is 1. So you can directly apply the equation x cube, that is 2x whole cube, y cube, that is 1 cube, 3xy you can directly apply 3 multiplied by 2x multiplied by 1. Then x plus y, that is equal to your x is 2x and your y is 1. Then 2x whole cube is 2 multiplied by 2 into 2, that is 8x cube plus 1 cube is 1. Then 3 into 2x which is equal to 6x multiplied by 2x plus 1. So you can rewrite it as 8x cube plus 1 plus 6x multiplied by 2x which is equal to 12x square, 6x into 1 which is equal to 6x. You can rearrange this 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. This is your answer. Your second question is 2a minus 3b whole cube. This is the direct application of your identity x minus y whole cube which is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy multiplied by x minus y. Here your x is 2a and your y is 3b. So you can directly substitute x cube 2a whole cube minus y cube 3b whole cube minus 3 into 2a into 3b multiplied by 2a minus 3b. Here you don't want to consider minus 3b because identity itself there is a negative sign. Then 2a whole cube which is equal to 8a cube minus 3b whole cube which is equal to 27b cube, 3 into 2 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So 18ab multiplied by 2a minus 3b. So you can again 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 18ab multiplied by 2a, which is equal to 18 into 2, 36a multiplied by a, which is equal to a square b. Then minus 18 minus 3b. So plus 18 into 3 is 54a b square. This is your answer. Your third question is 999 whole cube. Here this 999 can be written as 1000 minus 1 whole cube. Now it is of the form x minus y whole cube, which is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So it can be applied here. Your x is 1000 and your y is 1. So 1000 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 multiplied by 1000 into 1 into 1000 minus 1. Here 1000. Minus 3000 into 999. 3000 into 999. You will be getting the answer as 997002999. Fourth question is expand 2x minus y plus z whole square using suitable identity. Which is this identity? You can go for x plus y plus z whole square. So here there are 3 terms, so you can go for 3 term identity. X plus y plus z whole square, which is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Here your x is 2x, y is minus y and your z is z. So you have to apply directly this equation. You can go for 2x whole square plus minus y whole square plus z square plus 2 into 2x into minus y plus 2 into y is minus y, z is z plus 2 z is z itself, x is 2x. So you will be getting it as 8 2x whole square. 2x whole square is 4x square. 4x square. Then minus y square is plus y square plus z square. Then 2 into 2x into minus y, which is equal to minus 4xy. Then here minus 2yz. Then here it is plus 2, not plus 2, plus 4xz. Next question, factorize 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. Here it is a negative sign, so you can go for this identity and check whether this identity is correct or not. X minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. First you have to check whether this identity is correct or not by using this result. So here 64a cube, cube root of 64, 4 into 4 into 4, which is equal to 64. A into a is a cube. So you can go for 4a minus 27b cube. Cube root of 27 is 3. 3 into 3 into 3. That is 3b whole cube. So your factors are 4a minus 3b, again 4a minus 3b, and again 4a minus 3b. So you have to see which identity is suitable for this question, and you have to check whether that identity's answer and this one is correct. Then you can solve this problem. Your next question is factorize 8x cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz. Here you can't go for x plus y all cube or x minus y all cube because your last term is x, y and z. So you have to consider this identity, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which is equal to x plus y plus z multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So you have to consider this identity while solving this problem. So this can be written it as 8x cube can be split up into 2x whole cube. Then y cube itself, z cube is here cube root of 27 z cube, which is equal to 3z whole cube. Now you got your x, y and z. So you can directly apply that 3 into x is 2x, y is y and z is 3z. So you can write it as, you have to solve in this manner. You have to get your answer in this manner. X plus y plus z multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square minus 2xy minus yz minus zx. So you have to go through in that manner. So you can take it as x plus y plus, instead of x plus y plus z, you can write it as 2x plus y plus 3z. Then instead of x square you can take it as 2x whole square plus y square plus 3z whole square minus xy, that is 2x multiplied by y minus yz, that is y multiplied by 3z, then zx, zx is 3z multiplied by 2x. So you will be getting the answer as 2x plus y plus 3z, then 2x whole square is 4x square plus y square plus 9z square minus 2xy minus 3yz minus 6xz. Hope you have understood this video. Thank you.